My name's Robert Farrell. I've been teaching marketable skills, software skills, here in New York City since 1987. Back when I was just a pup at 28, I'll be 60 next year. If there's a better way to learn and earn, you've come to the right place. Now, I have something very exciting to share with you today. If you're an affiliate marketer, let me explain my technique for engaging the viewers, engaging your customers, and getting more bang for the buck. So if you take a look at my site right now, this is a simple site that is not about salesy stuff, it's about engagement. So notice the name of the site is trending.onlinebudget.recipes. It's a site about recipes. Recipes, what does that have to do with selling? Well, that's how you work smart. What I want to share with you is rule number one to being successful online is stop selling. Start engaging. Now, what I'm about to share with you is how you can add your affiliate marketing Amazon products to a chatbot. This cannot be found anyplace else. I'm using this great service called chatbot.ai in combination with ChatFuel. But here's the difference. Here's what I'm offering that nobody else is offering. And I'll talk about that in a second. So let me share the experience with you. So again, this site is simply about recipes. Okay, that's all it is. It's simply just recipes. Some things in here maybe I need to delete. But here's the cool part. So you'll notice when the site loads, it automatically says, hey, how are you today? And this little banner here encourages people to interact with my chatbot. But here's the really cool part. I program this to be very personable. It's a personal greeting. If the person comes back the second or third time, there's different settings that you can actually just affect and set. So let me share this with you. So if I click right here to chatbot, this is going to engage your user. Now, let's think about something very intuitively. If you use email marketing for this and you have an affiliate marketing website, what's the reason somebody's going to opt into your site? Okay, they're probably not. You can't say, well, let me keep you posted on good deals. Well, that's old hat. Here's the problem with email. Email is not personable, meaning, yeah, you're going to get a double opt-in and everything else. When they go to open an email, you're going to be bombarded with 20 other emails, okay? How are they going to pick yours? How do they not get distracted? Now, the advantage of chatbot marketing is you have their undivided attention, okay? So let me share this with you. So on the site right now, it popped up, hey, Robert, how are you? Nice to hear. Welcome back. I programmed this to welcome back the person that's been there before, and if they've gone to different parts of the chatbot. So I'm going to click right here on Shop Amazon. Now, again, this is a total game changer. You won't find this anyplace else that I'm combining the best of both worlds. So now I could say, okay, I can now shop from my chatbot breakfast cereals, coffee and tea, cooking, baking, food, etc., etc. So let's go to snack foods. I'm going to pick snack foods, and that's going to take me right to my different choices that I've handpicked for my customers. Now, you can program this to change at any time, daily, weekly, monthly, etc., etc. Okay? So it's saying, hey, you ready for some snacks? So I can now go through here. Now, here's the cool part. If you're already an Amazon affiliate marketer, you understand that when I click here, that's going to track your affiliate marketing code inside the URL, and anything they buy from this point, you're going to get credit for. That's the cool part. A lot of people don't realize this. You don't have to fill your chatbot up with every Amazon product. Just get people to go to the Amazon website from your site with your affiliate marketing code, and you'll get credit for everything that they buy. In fact, Amazon stores the cookies for 90 days. So when they come back to Amazon from your site, or if they haven't gone to somebody else's site, you're going to get paid for that as long as they add it to their cart. If they add something to the cart and they change their mind, when it comes back, you'll still get credit for it. So let's go back to the experience here. So I can go through here and I can basically say, okay, let's go back to the main menu because I need to buy some other stuff. So this is a total game changer that you can put the affiliate marketing Amazon products right inside of your chatbot. Let's understand the difference. Now, of course, I can put this stuff on my website, but then I don't have the ability to capture that person's information. That person can come to my site, go to Amazon. Now, of course, you're going to get paid from Amazon, but how do you retarget that person? Now, you can have an email opt-in form again, but that's a little impersonal. Here's the big advantage of chatbot. You have the person's undivided attention at that point. That's your time to shine. Engage them, offer them, greet them, etc., etc. So here's another thing I want to share with you. One of the things that separates what I'm providing to you as far as training is I have curated over 55 different networks. I own over 13,000 domain names. As an example, this is just 5,000 of my domain names that I own. These are all Black Friday domain names. I own these and you'll have access to them. Now, what that means is if you wanted to be yourbrand.blackfridays.christmas or shopblackfridays.store, I have literally 13,000 keyword-rich domain names that you can tie into your affiliate marketing site. Now, I also have a turnkey system that is set up for you to learn. So as an example, if I come down here to my site, right here, and I can then see all the networks that I have built. This took me 2 years of my life to build out, and there's nothing else like this. I don't care if you already have a website on Wix or Weebly or Square or GoDaddy or wherever. You could still benefit from this because I have the power of sucking in Amazon content and affiliate marketing content plus anything from YouTube. YouTube, for those of you that don't know, is the #2 search engine. So watch this. So let's say you want to market Christmas items. So you're going to have access to these different domain names when you set up your site. Okay, Black Friday, toys, G-free, gluten-free. If you name a network, I have a solution for it. Bridal shop, coffee network. Now here's another thing you want to keep in mind. I have I have 609 websites. Yes, call me kooky, crazy, mad scientist, but here's the difference. No matter what my demographic is, it could be beauty, it could be hair makeup, it could be bridal shop, I always put an option to buy coffee, tea, snacks. Why? Because every user is going to buy coffee, tea, snacks, water, etc., etc. So why not make that available to them? And now you can make it available to them inside the chatbot. Again, this is a total game changer. I'm here to help you every step of the way. So you want to head over to Chatbot University. Now here's what separates my training from anybody else. Not only do I provide rock solid training for you, in fact, you can watch my training videos right inside your WordPress admin, but I provide marketing, sales, how to. I also, when you sign up for my course, I'm also going to give you 2 niche marketing platforms that would typically run you $279 a piece. Okay. In addition to that, I will give you your own chatbot marketing website with domain names that you can market and promote, because what's the point of learning a skill if you can't make money with it? So enough of that. I don't want to sound like FM radio. I want to engage you in the thinking process. The ability to put Amazon products and soon eventually other products from Linkshare, from other ClickBank. We have new products coming out. I'm here to help you every step of the way. My name is Robert Farrell. Engage in my chatbot. Ask questions. I'm here to help you. Have a good day. Carpe Diem 2018.